Hey, what's up everyone? So this is how I do my black and gray or grayscale paintings. I approach it kinda like how I approach my tattooing, so here it is. First, I white everything out to create a white surface on the wood, so I paint it all white. And then I draw on it, and then I like to fill in the background with black, because I like a black background so that everything else pops out, kind of like tattooing. If you put a lot of black in, the image is more striking. So I chose a scarab and some roses. Alright, for the flowers, or for, I guess in painting, you kind of want to put in the base colors first, or the base tone. So I went with a sort of lightish gray to start off with, and I'm gonna do the roses first because that's the one that kind of needs the, what do you call it, like better gradient and shading. Alright, now that the base color is in, I'm gonna add the shadows. So a darker tone of gray. I like to put in just a bit on the edges or where the line's supposed to be, and I add water to like splash it around better to make it kind of blended in, not too harsh of like straight dark. After putting in the shadows, you can kind of, if it seems kind of bland or kind of too dark, you can add the highlights, which is probably gonna be a lighter gray. So that's what I did. I added the lighter gray above the watered, like the gray wash, if you will. Yeah. And then I added white to create the highlight. You'll see that with the last rose as well. And if you're watching this video because you like painting, I guess I'm not an expert at it, but it works for me. You can use what I'm saying, especially if you're a beginner. But in tattooing, I'm basically using what I know in tattooing in this painting. Alright, next is the Scarab Beetle. Yeah, so I had a hard time blending the different shades of gray with just a brush. I only have one brush, by the way, so yeah, I didn't really prepare. I just found a brush and I started painting. So I decided to blend using my fingertips, like finger painting. So I guess with this one is when it's darker, it's supposed to be deeper into the body, and if it's lighter, it's supposed to be the upper part or the outer part, to create a field of a depth of field, if you will, just so that the back of the scarab or the wings, the shell of the insect feels like it's popping out. And as you can see, it looks really good against the black and against the lighter colored flowers. Anyway, I had a lot of fun with this piece, and lockdown set in, so I might be able to make one more before things start getting busy again with tattooing. Yeah. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like, comment below, subscribe, hit that bell. I'll see you guys soon. Later.